So guys, for the first step, you want to get into this screen. Now to get here, you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times. So you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times, and then on the 4th time when you turn your computer on again, it will then take you into this screen. It's going to say that your PC did not start correctly. You want to click on Advanced Options. And now once you're on this, I'm going to be showing you 3 different ways and how you can fix this problem. So for the first method, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Startup Repair. If you do not see Startup Repair, then you want to click on CM Recovery Options. Then it should appear right here. So you want to click on Startup Repair. It's now going to start diagnosing your PC. Wait for this to load. Now hopefully this would have fixed your problem. If not, that's fine. We're going to click on Advanced Options. For the second method, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then System Restore. If you have any restore points enabled in your computer, then you want to click on Next and then go back to your restore point. If you don't have any, that's fine. We're going to click on Cancel. For the third method, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Command Prompt. And then once you're on this, you want to type in bootrec /fix mbr. Click on Enter. And now you're going to type in bootrec /fix boot. Click on Enter again. If it says access is denied, just ignore it. Now you're going to type in bootrec /rebuild BCD. Click on Enter again. And now for the last command, you're going to type in sfc /scan. Now I'm going to click on Enter. Then you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once that's been done, we're just going to close out of this. And now you want to continue to Windows, and then the problem should be fixed.